Gentleman'sbox.com is a men's box. For 25 bucks a month, you get 4 to 6 samples of random things that are for the savvy gentleman. Could be Tide Tack, could be some shave cream, yada yada yada, just to make you a more sophisticated guy. 25 bucks a month, or you can get a 1 year for $275, which basically gives you 1 month free, which is pretty good value. So if you like what you're seeing, you know, you could go on there and try it for a month like I did, or go and get a year if you want to, either which way. So let's get in the box and find out. First things first, the Gentleman's Post, honoring our favorite superhero. Basically in this, it's just telling you what you're gonna get, kind of a basic overview. Plus in the middle, kind of cool, just got a comic. First thing out of the box, some dress socks from Wolf, wolfclothingco.com. Man, that was a mouthful. When I wear suits, typically speaking, I kind of go crazy on the socks, so I'll probably be pulling these out sooner than later. I like the back here. It says, know what you do, know why you do it, and kill it. Alright, sounds good. Next up, a polka dot tie from Knot Society. I don't know if you can tell or not, but it's a navy with white polka dots. The skinny tie, I'm not really big into skinny ties. I rock them once in a while, but not my favorite thing, but I like it. I'll probably try it at least once. Up next, a tie tack or tie rod that is glasses a la Clark Kent. Glasses on the tie right there. It's kind of interesting. I get it, I like it. Next up, the Fashion Anchor disposable collar stays. I use these all the time in every dress shirt I own. So I will definitely be using these. They're basically like little stickies. They're not regular collar stays like I'm used to. Last thing, Oakenmus Frey. It's detergent for men, which not really, never seen men's detergent before, so I'll have to check this out. It says carefully designed and meticulously crafted to fit the modern man's lifestyle. It smells almost like cologne. I wonder if this works for high efficiency washers. I have to look. So once again in the box, some Frey men's detergent, a tie bar that looks like glasses, some two-way sticky collar stays, navy blue polka dotted skinny tie, and some, again, didn't even realize it, but blue and white polka dot with pink on top and on the toe dress socks to go along with it from wolfcocompany.com. So there you go, all that from gentleman'sbox.com. Once again, it's 25 bucks a month plus shipping, or $275 for a year's subscription, and you get 1 month free basically. If you like their stuff, let them know you saw it here. If you subscribe to my page and see my normal stuff, also like this video, subscribe to my videos, like my page, just go watch all of them. Just do it. It's gonna be like this from now on. You'll see. So see you guys later.